In the name of Allah. Hello children. After meeting her, Imam Hussain left for Karbala. His companions gathered around him before starting the journey. The Imam delivered a sermon. After praising Allah, he said,
"The Prophet said, people who oppose the rule of Allah, and the Sunnah of the Messenger of Allah, through words and deeds, Allah will send them to hell with Satan."
Imam Hussain entered Karbala on the 2nd Muharram 61 AH. His horse stood on the bank of the Euphrates and did not move from there. Imam asked,
"What is this place?" "Karbala."
Lady Kulthum says, "Brother, I can feel a horrifying dread in the air of this desert." He said,
"Many years ago, my father Ali fell asleep with his head resting in the lap of my brother Hassan. He woke up from a dream, shaking and crying. He said that he saw a desert full of blood, in which Hussein was crying out for help all alone. But no one helped him. At that time my father said to me, 'What will you do if such a time comes?' So I said that I'll be patient, because there is no choice but to be patient."
At that time Imam Hussain said, "The Umayyads usurped our right. But we kept our patience. They kept my companions in prison, we kept our patience. But now Yazid has crossed all the limits of humanity." Imam Hussain was aware of his coming martyrdom and came to Karbala knowingly. Children, let's talk about Kufa now.
Write a letter to Hussein and say that if you do not swear allegiance to Yazid, you will be killed.
The messenger took this letter to the Imam's service. The Imam asked,
"Whose letter is this?"
The messenger said,
"It is from Ibn Ziyad."
Imam threw the letter away and said,
"I will not answer Ibn Ziyad."
He didn't answer. Didn't reply to my letter. Send a message to Omar bin Saud and say that Ibn Ziyad wants some advice. Do you want to be the king of Ray?
The government of Ray?
Hearing this, Omar Saad could not hide his happiness.
In exchange for the government of Ray, I want the head of Hussein in front of me.
Omar bin Saad asked for one day to think about the matter. Children, I will explain the rest of the incident in the next session.